Hey, howdy ho, we're back with another video. Today we're going to be cooking up some slow cooked beef ribs. And I'm going to be doing a little beef broth in it. And did I say beef ribs? I meant pork ribs. We're doing pork ribs. And we're introducing 3 little seasonings to this broth: a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, a little dill weed. I'm going to see if I can get as much flavor in there as I can, because I'm not trying to pull this out and just have a flavorless meat. But that's just me, you know. At least I don't think I'll have as much sodium in this meal. What I'm trying to kind of turn it into is a little bit of a soup. So I'm just going to have the pork and the beef broth, so it'll be pretty low cal. Not exactly sure how much, but I'm assuming it'll be somewhere around 300 to 400 something cal. And we just plunk these bad boys right on in. They're all nice, meaty, and tender. I have handled a piece of meat or two in my day. Oh yeah, there we go. And the last one goes in. Very nice. Just shove it in there. Just get it right on in. Very good, very good. There we are. Perfect. Take a look at that. Doesn't that look scrumptious? I forgot to say I put dill weed in there just because I like dill pickles, and I'm hoping for a bit of that dill effect, but I don't know. But here we are, just stirring the pot a bit. Looks pretty scrumptious already. It's just kind of falling off the bone, which I love to see. And this recipe takes about 5 hours or so on high. Somewhere around there. But oh, it's looking good. It's looking a little mucky in there, but I'm still excited. I think it might be all right. It could be okay. Yeah, there we go. Just a little muddy water. And we're just gonna scoop us some pieces out. I think 2 pieces will do for now. Look at that fatty thing. Oh man. One more piece should do me good. And because I'm trying to have myself a little soup and I don't want too much mucky waters, I'm just gonna scoop it out because I'm not quite smart, and I didn't really think about tipping the pot over into it. But that's okay. We'll get the job done. But you won't have to see this. And then next, like every other YouTuber, I'm gonna introduce some green to it, and I don't have any normal greens for this, like chives or nothing, so I'm just gonna go with what I've got, and what I've got is spinach. So spinach is just gonna have to do. There we are, perfect. Now we got our leafy greens. Time to introduce some sauce. A little cilantro lime, give us a little spice, a little extra to taste, and then we introduce the green. Oh yeah. Doesn't that just make it look like real food? Oh, now it looks like a little hearty bowl of soup. I'm so excited. Perfect. Now all we gotta do is give it a little taste. That's all that's left. A real fatty piece too. Here we go. Wow, that's extremely average. And here we have the best Tupperware container in the world. The only place I'd feel safe storing my beef. I mean my pork. Bye.